exactly can you hear with the problem? Can you hear with problem? Yeah. Can you hear
problem here happen na hand an argument. Mana okole with you direct. My honorable. Yes, okole with you direct.
Okwana with me direct. Okwana with me direct.
Oh yeah, Biafra. Oh yeah, Biafra.
Oh yeah, Biafra.
Yeah, you are the one of my mentors. I respect you.
I need like this in me woto. I like 24 hours.
Nah, every day so yes, 2019. But I may miss the program. I may miss it.
What is the problem?
Ihe ji dịka anyị nwa dịka mụa dịka nụwa bụ ndị abụ ịghọtara ịmara ihe na-akpọnwụ John Okubo abụ m onye agbọ ọnwa oyibo odiboji ebe a ka nshi Ika North East ebe a ka nshi somehow the chairman the Palermo zone Italy ebe a challenge anyị na-enweta azụ m na-ajụkarị dịka enyi m anọghị a because ihe mmụọ na-achọ unity ka anyị nweta enwe anyị ka anyị nweta enwe anyị ihe ji dịka anyị nwa bụ ndị agbọ because dịka part of anyị nwa bụ East ọ dịka ha ga-agụ ya anyị nwa na ịbụ otu because some things ha na-eme dịka anyị nwa nọ some nọ here ha nwa dị agụ esi na anyị bụ otu dịka ha na-eme
ọ naghị agụ gị kịta wee na-akpọ gị
ọ bụrụ onye nwa ama m ji ekwu ya ịghọtara ya nwa na-akpọ m several times mụ bịa
gwa m ihe ịchọ ka eme n'Italy na ka unu nwa na ndị otu gị niile bata
dịka ihe nchọ na dịka obodo anyị na be m nsogbu dị ebe ahụ nsogbu dị ya ọ ala Biafra ọ ala Biafra nsogbu n'ọdị ịghọtara so nsogbu n'ọdị dat na ndị Hausa a na-egbucha ndị n'ọdị ana onwe na ya na-etinye n'anya ọnụ
gee m ntị akọzina nke ahụ that we are sealing entire Biafra land and the Ika is the part of Biafra. So long as that Ika is part of Biafra, we are sealing it. Imana ihabu gradually. We are sealing entire Biafra, 40 states of Biafra. We have mapped everything. So, but before that happens, we need support. It is, we are fighting a government that has billions to sponsor all these terrorists in now. So we need support to be able to cover the entire Biafra land. So we need support of everybody. And one thing unity. We can never, everybody must never come back together. It is impossible. But magodu that na Biafra is possible and achievable. And you can see the green light now. Support however you can, because as you are supporting, other people will follow you and see that you are supporting, and they will follow you as well. Because without resources, it is going to be very difficult for us. So we need resources to cover the entire Biafra land. Inye 100,000 people only is not easy. Igo Ebwe, 100,000 people is not easy. It requires resources. And that's where we are going. So we need this money, we need these arms, we need this ammunition to be able to protect our land, including a land which is part of Biafra. We don't want any other person, we don't want to leave anybody behind. And that is why we are making this thing, having these meetings, going this tour to bring people like you on board. So please, whatever the problem is, me personally, you are speaking with me today, I will fix it in Italy, and all of you from Agbo will be part of what we are doing. So whatever it is, table it to me now and consider it done. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, sir. So on the behalf of my Agbo people here, I am giving the organization 100 euros.
Bravo.
Okay, so if you don't get
bravo,
all right.
Bravo.
That's a very good one. I will be contacting Italy admins by myself, and I will be asking them about you because I want to see your organization be part of Italy. My next visit.
Please, his name, please, his name.
My name is John Okubo.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you. So please try to the Italy admin, or please try to get his contact and keep in touch with him.
Okay,
very important.
Thank you. Thank you.
Please, somebody's waiting. Somebody's waiting. She wants to bless us with the work. So.
All right. Give him time. Give him 2 minutes, please. Ndewo. Your voice now is very low. I am not on the audio. We can't hear. We can't hear you.
Take it back to the other ear. Okay.
Can you hear me now?
Go ahead.
Better.
Okay, yes, I'm on. I appreciate the effort.
Unanapata the struggle, unanapata na Italy family.
I know.
In my next visit, I got try forgive one. I try forgive one at this meeting.
Yes.
Udo. Udodi. Joseph onye nkonuko apụzie ndị ọzọ ka ha continue biko.
Okay, please.
PM, can I say something?
Wanda Kalista, please, can you come up and make your donation before you go, please? Wanda Kalista.
All right, we continue.
Where is the Kalista?
PM,
Wanda Kalista, please come up.
Can I say something?
What do you want to say?
Please, just a minute. What I want to say is this. I love what I'm seeing. I want to tell Italian people, PM said that he has forgiven everybody. We should come back together how we are before. So I want us to do competition with American people. I know that we, Italy, we are too much here. We are almost 3 million in this Italy, Biafrans. So I want all of us to know so so this happiness PM from today. Next time on Abia, yotago, Kaibaka Kono, Kaimi Henano, Kaibu your Italy, yotago, help or admin, call me Henanoa, or Metadio Metamia, but Kaibaka Kono, almost a mistake in it. I have got PM or Meserian. But I want to see Italy to be, that is I put a 40,000 euro, 20,000 euro. Like that time, man, you know. So I enjoyed enough in Italy, and I believe that God will do it for us.
It's possible.
Garo, I will support you with this one. So American people want competition, please.
I want to
trust my people. We are going to win you people. We are the one that is going to sponsor this struggle.
Garo, you have spoken. Thank you. Thank you very much. I appreciate the PM for what the PM has said.
Mama, please unmute Kwada Kalista. She want to give us some action.
Where's Kalista? My boss is the one in charge now. I don't know.
Kalista, go on. Continue your submission, Kalista.
Okay. My PM, I appreciate you for Italy, and what Carolina said is possible. And I want to please plead with the admin. You are my person. I don't have any issues with you. You know that very well. But I want to encourage you to reach out to all these people that have biases with you. Reach out to them. Call them. They are your family. They are your brothers. Anybody that is feeling ill-treated, reach out to them. Bring them back. If there's anybody you removed before, I am not in that group. You know that. And you know what happened. So if you want to bring me back in, there's no problem. But I'm already with you in this game, in this movement. You work together with me personally, and I appreciate that. But every other person that have been there that are complaining, you took them out. Please bring them back and reach out to them. Show them that love of a leader you are in Italy, so that we can bounce back. The idiots here that are underground workers, you know them. They are just busy making noise. They were stealing money from Italy before. Now, all those money they're stealing, they cannot steal it anymore. We need to bring everybody back together so that, like our Carolina has said, I'm telling you, when Italy bounce back, America will not see our back. I can bet you that. We have people in Italy, and I know that very well. So the way you handle it will matter a lot, please. And going forward, I will be working very closely with you on this to make sure that no gap is left. Thank you very much, my PM.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you, my minister, for that commitment. Mazi Euro Mission, I don't see Kalista. I don't see Kalista.
Kalisto Sago. Kalista, please raise your hand now.
Kalista, raise your hand. And please, if you are a member of the government, if you happen to find yourself in all these groups of your country, do not try to interfere with the administration of the Biafra license officials, because these are the conflicts that always comes in. Don't use your power that you're in the government to try to interfere with their own administration. Just give them your help and your aid, and then they will move on viably. Thank you so much. Samsung SM A13 A137F. Unmute yourself.
I'm too small. Let me talk, please. Oh,
I don't unmute you now. You don't unmute. Talk.
You know, see how big I am. You see, you are not seeing. Good evening. Good evening, everybody. Good evening, everybody. Good evening, PM, sir. We welcome you to Italy. Welcome, and our prayer goes to you and the Mazen Namde Kano. Na Sikachukwu no yero no biko. Nambo niile una about your efforts to see that I have been well wine. And I will also use this opportunity to also thank the people that made it possible for this meeting to hold today in Italy, because ekele asị na ndị nwe na-asị ekele onye akịdị ekelekwa onye gwọtara ya. Oh, and it's unfortunate that I would have liked this meeting is just a normal meeting because, as you remember, we are, if not among number three people that invited you for our liaison office. And it's sad that we are still talking about ending of June for the end of it. I had the work on the So our PM welcoming you. Italy here, we are in a group. We are up to 100 and it's every month. Let's say 40 people are the ones that are contributing. So everything we are doing here, so I thank you for this meeting. If at all, this will be a means of changing things here. Let me not say much. As we have done, we are welcoming you with the color. So I'd like to support again, because this is what I've been doing every month. So I would like to support again with 100 euro. Keep an amount more. Our prayer is that the key any line they make a Chineke mere and ebere. Kay high name ways. There one.
Yeah, well, thank you. Bishop Comfort, over to you. Bishop Comfort.
Are you hearing me?
Yes, ma'am, we can hear you.
Okay, I've been having problem with my laptop all day, but I'm using my mobile. Italians, I thank you all for your bravery, for your courage, for your determination. Where there is determination and love, there'll be unity. Please, it's like every other company. Not everybody will support, but when the leadership know their responsibilities, they will know that every human being has got peculiar characteristics. And if we look at that, we can never come together. I start praying for Italy for what I've heard today, for your unity to compete with USA and again to compete UK. Prime Minister, I thank you. You are standing strong. I know that you are a pillar for us. And no weapons of the enemy, woman, man, from any country, I'm saying it as a child of God, that is fashioned against you will prosper. Every stumbling block on your way, you will jump over. You will jump over, because that's what the Lord has. But the Lord has not brought you out in vain. He that brought you out of Egypt will take you to the promised land. And I'm supporting the Italians with 50 euro. God bless you. I'll put it on my on the internet. I pay it there. God bless you.
They will. Thank you, Bishop Comfort.
Oh, my finance minister, Kedo.
Thank you, Bishop Comfort. Thank you. Okay. All right, we go to Antonia. Okay. Okay. Antonia, over to you.
Hello.
There, what?
Okay. Thank you for our minister, Sonny. Thank you for giving me the opportunity. I have spoken before. I want to tell our Prime Minister that we love him so much. We cannot express how much we love him. For the little stress Italy give him this evening, I want to add 50 euro for him to take cold water for himself, for this little stress Italy give him this evening. So I wanted to add 50 euro, so make it 300. So for that, wow. And I want to use this opportunity to tell my fellow Biafrans and thank my Prime Minister that when I started in 2021 with him donating, I was working with a job of part-time, 20 hours. So, and I love what our Prime Minister is doing. Because of that, I have to get more job for me to meet up to support my Prime Minister in whatever he's doing. So I came to get a contract of 53 hours in a week for me to continue supporting this celebration. So I'm encouraging every one of our brothers or sisters here that when I started, our Prime Minister started this thing, I have doing a small job, but I have to go and look for more jobs so that I can support my liberation of my people. So that is why you people are seeing every day supporting financially everything, even in Finland, and the booking this Finland coming, and my friends and everybody. I book all my friends from America, hotel and everything. So I'm encouraging everybody to do such so that we can achieve what we are looking for, because we need money in this movement. If you are not working a small job, get yourself another job so that you can follow your brothers and sisters and doing whatever they are doing. So I thank my Prime Minister. From today, I am not only that he blessed me, because he make me, because I have money now. I can support people at home, support the movement, support everybody because of my Prime Minister. Before, I was at home doing the part-time. I would come and sleep. The less day I'm sleeping. But since my Prime Minister started a year 2021, I'm no more sleeping in the afternoon. I go out, I work the whole day for me to continue supporting. I thank my Prime Minister. You wake me from sleep. You wake me from sleeping, afternoon sleeping. I'm no more sleeping because I just like I'm becoming lazy. Now, I thank my Prime Minister for waking up. I love the way my life is going on now. I can say it's because of my Prime Minister. So I want to say thank you to him. I love you so much. We will continue supporting you. We are here to support you in anywhere you are going, and we'll be coming out and make sure that we are supporting you. We are not going to left you alone again. Thank you, and God bless you.
Thank you.
God bless you. Please, I had a distraction. Please forgive me. Dr. Bishop Comfort, did she donate, please?
Yeah, she donated.
How much did she give? Sorry, I was distracted. My daughter just returned home. How much?
Who got the value, the amount?
$50.
$50.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much.
100.
No, she gave 50. Bishop
Okay.
gave 50.
Okay.
50 euro or dollars?
Dollars.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Sorry
Thank you.
for that.
All right. Yeah, it's okay. We go to Oluwebube. Oluwebube, over to you. Yeah, right on with
update. Okay. Wazi John Yebo is adding up 50 euro to the 250 euro that he has given before.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Oluwebube, over to you. Unmute yourself again. Oluwebube.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
We can hear you.
Okay. All hail Biafra.
All hail Biafra.
Yeah, I want to say good evening to everyone.
They thought our progress in Biafra liberation is because we always say all hail Biafra. They decided to change their national anthem to all hail their Nigeria, die Nigeria. And it will die. Nobody will hail them. Go ahead.
Oluwebube, where are you? It seems your network is bad. Where are you? Oluwebube. Your network has Okay, CN Chineke, unmute yourself. I will wait for Oluwebe to return.
Oh, hey, Biafra.
Oh, hey, Biafra.
Oh, hey, Biafra.
I'm so much happy. I'm so much happy, my brothers. I see our Prime Minister again, once again in Italy. In fact, I have a short word. Wonders happening everywhere. We're starting from the days when we are in the pilot, they call it pilot, pilots. Today we are Biafra, Biafra government. And even we are already in Biafra, government already established at home and abroad everywhere. We are taking over. My Prime Minister, you're welcome in Italy. I am supposed to be here since 7 o'clock waiting for, but devil is a liar. They set me on a very wonderful work. I can't, there's no way I can afford it. I can avoid it. I'm just coming back from work and I try to strike and to enter.
You're welcome.
So, my Prime Minister, you're welcome. Everything has done well. I know everything is going well. And our able coordinator, Machine, is doing wonderful. And today is a wonderful day, a remarkable day. I have nothing to say, but I want to also to follow to break Color North for my Prime Minister a little as much as I can afford now. I will break a Color North for you, the 50 euro, and then under 100 euro, only for your support for your visit. 150 euro. I don't know which is time for other things. Every protocol taking care. Thank you, my brother. You're welcome.
Thank you, Martin. Thank you.
I'll have you.
All right. Yeah. All right, Biafra. Patricia Owumere. Patricia Owumere, unmute yourself. Patricia Owumere, unmute yourself.
Okay.
Patricia, you have the.
Yeah. Good evening, Prime Minister. Good evening, Biafrans. Sorry if I have to say this point, even though it has been treated, but that was why I raised my hand earlier. It's on the same issue that has been tackled or was raised. I just wanted to point, Prime Minister, for you to note this because you are the one in command and that gives out as God gives to you for the people of Biafra, because we know that Biafra freedom was ordained. So in that case, what I'm saying in effect, I didn't even wanted to point it out here. We know that for us to serve Biafrans, we have to have the same excellent spirit that is in you and in Mazi and the rest of the officials. If one is in this struggle and is not having that excellent spirit in the sense that you have to be straightforward, you don't have to have, this is my sister, or this is my brother, or this is my party, it's not going to go well, because I don't see the reason why, if the hands are not all equal, the hands are not equal. If one gives maybe 20 or 15 of what have the person, and then somebody will tell the person what you're giving is not okay, it's not correct. You don't tell me that is all you can afford. We need 150, we need 200, we need something above. You as a leader cannot be bullying people in that way, and then you are not even paying more than them. And you are discouraging them. At the same time, you said they are the ones sabotaging the struggle. These are the manners that are not good, which I have seen in that place. But I wasn't bothering. You can't tell people this is the way it should be, matter a case closed. You have to have a change of character for you to do what you are called to do. I don't think Prime Minister that everybody is loving, sharing, happy about him, is bullying people in this one, telling them you're 15, if you pay 15 or 10 euro, your name will not be mentioned, you will not be recognized. So all these are the things that are not good, which has to be stopped, because we are all here, nobody is exempted. Apart from people in Biafra land, where our leaders said they are the people that cannot contribute, even them, they are giving their own. So everybody here are to contribute. Our financial minister here, I heard him saying he lived by example. What he says is what he does. So you don't bully people and you stay aside, making them as if they are not human beings.
Thank
So
you,
that's all I
Patricia.
want to saying that we are sabotaging the struggle. They are not. For them not.
Thank you, Patricia. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Please, we want every license offices to be back on track. Forgive whatever misunderstanding has happened. There's one thing we need to also understand. In a family, we have the mild, we have the hot-tempered, we have the guru, we have the one where no go even talk. We have the gentle lion, and then we have the one where go scatter everything one time. So let's see how we accommodate everybody, and then we move on, and then utilize the gift in everyone when the need arises. Please, we are not here to be bantering and going back and forth. We have a government. Let's follow the step-by-step governmental setup that is there, please. Every grievances are hereby resolved and forgiven. Go back. Our aim and objective is to see money on the table, not to follow one talk and another and this and that. Please, like in my country, if you are not donating or being active in donation, I will not have your time. I will not even have meeting with you, because we want people to come and make donations. The best that will come out from any country, any license offices, is how much we can raise for this government. So please forgive your license officials and stop looking for one excuse or another. It is not about the license official. It's about you as a Biafran and your Biafran to be restored. It's not even about the Prime Minister here, because the Prime Minister can be okay and then leave the Biafra for you, and then they will butcher everybody. So put your own case first before you now start looking for every excuses. Please, let's move on. Thank you. Emanuela, please, everyone goes to donation or important questions to the Prime Minister. Every other issue has been resolved, and let us go back to our license offices and then see how we move on. We need more on there. Like Caroline said, we want to see how 30,000, 40,000 will be coming out, like when our Supreme Leader was here. That is the aim and objective. Emanuela, over to you, please.
Thank you, my information minister. Thank you very much, my PM, once again. Thank you, my PM, for clearing the air. I want to use this opportunity now to tell my Biafran brothers and sisters, because our people love hearing things on air or when our PM is on live like this, because we have been calling on them. I have called them privately. I have reached out to them, most of them that are here today complaining. I my very self, I have reached out to them privately, telling them, I have written in our group, please come for your clarification, for your database. They are not coming, but they will be here complaining for one thing or the other. And in Italy here, please, my PM, we don't have any issue, please. As you rightly said, when somebody is not paying, we don't know when you paid or not. Send your receipt to us. If you are not sending your receipt to us, you are not paying, you are not with us. And some of them here, when we are having meetings, my PM, some of them do record our meetings and they are not paying. And I have reached out to them to send the receipt to me privately. If maybe you don't want to send it to Iromeshili, or you don't want your name to be mentioned, send it to me privately. But they refuse. But when you remove them, they will run to Mazi Uche, and Mazi Uche knows all these things. And we don't have any other issue.